Have you ever seen these being used in someone's nail video? Well, today I'm going to show you how they work. Hi, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. Today I'm going to show you this 4-piece gel curing flashlight set, and this set also comes with 2 stainless steel gel polish removers, and I'll also show you that later on in the video. So this is how they look. They come in 4 different colors, and you will need 3 AAA batteries to operate these. So I'm just going to show you really fast how you will put the batteries into this flashlight. I know some of you guys are like, I think I know how to put batteries into a flashlight, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys it. And these batteries you can find down in the description below. And as to why I decided just to leave in me putting the batteries into this flashlight is I like to do thorough reviews on products. This way you guys can actually see the inside of the product, and you can kind of know the durability of it, how it's going to look, and what to expect. So that's another reason why I show you guys step by step as I do this. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button for me. So as you see, the flashlight did come on. There was no issues with that. Always a good sign. Okay, so I'm gonna get my product ready. I'm gonna use to test this product out. And all these items can be found in the description below. I'm gonna use my Beetles gel polish. I love this polish, you guys. If you're looking for a nice price polish, you should go ahead and check Beetles out. Okay, so I did cure this first for 60 seconds, and I went ahead and wiped it off. And on that first wipe, I got a little bit of the polish onto my paper towel. But as you can see on that second wipe, a lot of the polish did come off. So I went ahead and I cured it for another 60 seconds. And the next time around when I wiped it with the paper towel, a little bit of the polish came off, but not as much, so it definitely cured. So I would say 2 minutes with this flashlight should cure your gel polish. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys these stainless steel gel polish removers and just how they work. So I'm going to apply some polish to this swatch. And you'll just hold it kind of at a 45-degree angle, 35-degree angle. I don't know. Just hold it like you see me holding it. As far as the amount of pressure you use while using the scraper, definitely be mindful of that. You don't want to hurt yourself. And I definitely would not recommend you do it on your natural nail. Use this for like if you have acrylics on or polygel on, things like that. You do not want to hurt yourself, and be careful near that cuticle area too when you're using these. Alright, and so those are those stainless steel gel polish removers. And this is my review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know if you've tried any of these flashlights before, and if you like them, if they worked for you. Leave it for me down in the comments below. All right, that is it, you guys. I will see you guys on my next review. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to Just Doing Nails and you enjoy quality nail product reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and a like button and notification bell on your way out. I will see you guys next time.